Hello and welcome to Learnopedia Institute and Consultancy. Many of you must be having this question. Study abroad after class 12. Is it possible? Yes, absolutely. Students can study abroad right after class 12. In fact, thousands of Indian students go overseas every year for undergraduate programs. What courses can students choose? After class 12, students can apply for these many courses: engineering, business management, computer science or IT, arts and humanities, design and media, hospitality and tourism, health sciences, and many more. What are the basic requirements? Number 1, a class 12 mark sheet from a recognized board. Number 2, English proficiency test like IELTS, PTE or TOEFL. Number 3, SAC or ACT required in some countries like USA. Number 4, statement of purpose. And number 5, letters of recommendation. And number 6, a valid passport. Some of you might be thinking, what about expenses? Tuition fees vary from country to country, course to course, and from university to university. Scholarships are definitely available. Part-time work options are allowed in most countries. And education loans are also available in India. So guys, the last and most important question is it the right decision? Studying abroad after 12th is ideal if a student is clear about career goals, is independent and adaptable, wants global exposure, and is financially prepared. So connect with Learnopedia today and make the most of the available opportunities. Thank you.